You dig? Mac, I'm going up. A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil handy on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Till my seconds, minutes, hours go to the O. My $80 in the O. Make some power up that chopper, sister, brother, son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper, got the Maserati dancing on a bridge. Pussy poppin', tell the coppers, ha ha ha. You can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you pop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like Wolverine Baca. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah, a million here, a million there. Sicilian bitch with long hair, with coconut dairy gear, like smoking the thinnest air. I open the Lamborghini, hoping the crackers see me. Like, look at that bastard Weezy. He's a beast, he's a dog, he's a motherfucking problem. Okay, you're a goon, but what's a goon to a goblin? Nothing, you ain't scaring nothing. On some faggot bullshit, call them Dennis Rodman. Call me with your own peach, call me on my sidekick. Never answer with this private. Damn, I hate a shy bitch. Don't you hate a shy bitch? Yeah, I hate a shy bitch. She ain't shy to move, she changed her name to my bitch. Yeah, nigga, that's my bitch. So when she asks for the money, when you through, don't be surprised, bitch. It ain't trickin' if you got it. But you like a bitch with no ass, you ain't got shit. Motherfucker, I'm ill, not sick. And I'm okay, but my watch sick. Yeah, my drop sick. Yeah, my Glock sick. And my knot thick. I'm ill. Motherfucker, I'm ill. See, they say I'm rapping like Big J and Tupac, Andre 3000. Where is Erica Badu at? Who that say they gon' beat Lil Wayne? My name ain't Dick, but I keep that flame, man. Who that wanna do that, boy? You knew that, you that swallow. And I be shit, now you got loose vowels. I don't owe you like 2 vowels, but I would like for you to pay me by the hour. And I'd rather be pushing flowers than to be in the pen sharing showers. Tony told us this world was ours, and the Bible told us every girl was sour. Don't clean at all, and it don't smell her flower. Call me Mr. Carter, Mr. Lawn Mauer. Boy, I got so many bitches like I'm Michael Lowry. Even Mr. Bonnie said she couldn't doubt me. Motherfucker, I say like face shit without me. Chrome lips poking out the coupe look like it's pouting. I do what I do, and you do what you can do about it. Bitch, I can turn a crack rock into a mountain. Damn man, don't you compare me, cause there ain't nobody near me. They don't see me, but they hear me. They don't feel me, but they feel me. I'm ill. CP, 3P.